Why YouTube? Why God? Where must start now? Where must start? The Reggae Boyz were held to a 2-all draw yesterday at the office. And hell is an interesting word for use because two love down we were after this 20 minutes. I will have a scrap and get a point out of that match. And people, boy, it is not good enough. It wasn't good enough. This entire international weekend window, it was not good enough. Because to me, their first match against Honduras, we were lucky. We were lucky to win that game. And in this game now, you see some of the same problems we saw in their first match, especially in their first half. The first half had too much and was sluggish and slow to the ball and we just not knock nothing properly. I will pay a fee in this game. The Haitians, too well taking goal meeting and them will pay for a sluggish start them in their game. I'm not sure if that's a coach ever talk to. Normally when you see it back-to-back games, the coach I will take that upon the head, But something alright with us, man. So I'm really further than much. The match yesterday especially. The same problems we're having, man, is that midfield, man. That midfield, we just not control the ball game. We don't control the ball game with this midfield. Yeah, we can look point and say that was by design. You see the type of midfielders we have, which is basically some hard-working tacklers we have in the midfield more than no real technical players. But it causes a problem because they break down the entire team. The front line now functions properly and the back line now functions properly. We know Damien Lowe love pick a pass now, but you see, when you see Pinocchio try, in best would try go past 3 players before he just pass to the feet of Gray. Something wrong. Why something would need from the thing we are go from Andy Williams to Whitmore to Jermaine Yu for this midfield. I know we have the money, which are not bad players, because people are talking say Palmer had a great game yesterday. I don't think Palmer had a great game, but Palmer had a better game than the first match. He didn't play better this match than the first match. I mean, they see him for a while at Coventry, so we know him there's a player in there now. But him and Latiba there are not the what they call the maestros in midfield now for hold the ball. That's just not them job, right? And even Daniel Johnson when he came on, all him do a better job at holding the ball. The team now click because the type of midfielders we have. You could say though that that's the idea and that's what our coach was in our way. Our coach, as you know him, if you know how the Iceland team they play, so them when they normally play them normal 4-4-2 where in bypass midfield, right? But I give the coach a little before I beat him up, I give a little credit to the coach. With their first game and a little bit in the second game, we see the team that try more, especially in the second half in both matches. Them trying their best more for try pass and knock the ball on the ground. So we don't see so much long ball as much. But the team will still look lost, especially in the first half against Haiti. That them void ideas or because the midfield idea can't execute as well. Now, we forgot to tackle the next issue, a big issue. In fact, probably the biggest issue the Jamaican team face right now, the Leon Bailey situation. When you hear enough people fight against Leon Bailey in the beginning, you used to defend Leon Bailey and say, boy, Leon is a star. Leon just start trying best for the team, for the nation. When him learn to calm down, he might come good. But that are 20 matches going on. 20 matches ago that we feel like it was Boy, Leon, I'm not sure what go on with you. Because it is facts. What have to say? It's facts. It's facts. Leon is not playing well for Jamaica. Right? At this point, at this facts. I'm not sure what go on. It look even a way more when you say, easy and simple Gray has integrated their team. Right? Because right now, Gray is our best player. So, we know Leon is a star baller and we know Leon can play. So, we have to figure out quickly why Leon now come good. Is it, must Leon move from the left to the right to the central and it just down click. Right. Yesterday, I see him get a couple touches in their box and like him overthink it and hold on to the ball too long and them strip him. And the other worry is that like for a man who are playing in the Premier League now, man, we say I get bounced off and ball too easy. Premier League is such a physical league. You think say He wanna get bounced off them by them money so off him boss so easy. But in both matches, him touch him and him same gone down the ground. So we have to work on the Leon thing. I think we still think Leon come good. He can't have them kind of talent there and I come good. But we have to call speed a speed. Right now, Leon Bailey not play good well for Jamaica. Why the other thing we can't talk about now. Bowser get some good chances. Me not lie. And the thing I feel say Bowser normally take them chances there. Bowser normally not miss them chances there. Especially when he got that first half and take off her chest. Right, and him under pressure, yes, but him normally at least work the keeper. Bowser look like him shot a match practice, man. When I sure how much game I get in France, but it clear say over the year, from time they are Russia to know what the whole issue are going, him shot a confidence and match practice. So why we need Bowser, you know, so we need Bowser to come good. So we're gonna watch that, you know, because without Antonio, you imagine say Bowser next in line at the number 9 position, right? Or else we tackle now. Gray in 2 games, then I think Gray was one of the better players in the 2 matches. Gray has shown him class really, even though I still never think Gray played that well. He played better in the first game to me than the second game, and it seems that he had some issues in a group. As I say, me feel not help. Say nah really click for help him, but Gray do him thing, man. So I can't cuss about that. But the other issue now, Bobby Reid, why we not got to lie to no people. YouTube, watch me this. You see, it's the time Bobby Reid missed a chance in a US game. Couldn't rate Bobby Reid again. I never like Bobby Reid again after that too. But when you watch Bobby Reid in Fulham, I watch Bobby Reid lately at the Gold Cup, and even a little bit of the first match against Honduras. You say, alright, maybe Bobby Reid are coming in more now. Bobby Reid never really have a bad game yesterday, you know. In fact, maybe I can say this lately for Jamaica, they more improved players them. So I hope him keep it up. But Bobby Reid needs some help, man. I'm not sure Bobby Reid for really play with midfielder or more. Just probably stick to him right side and midfielder or something. But the front three they hard for large. We have to do something with Bobby Reid, man. Then the other issue now, coach, time for the coach to get beaten now. I know the coach reasoning now. Why him drop Rich Whisper? Why him drop Whisper for that match, people? Why Whisper drop for that match, people? Whisper are the one person who give you an unknown element against any side we are playing against right now. Because nobody know, they can't scout Whisper, they don't know nothing about Whisper. And Whisper play without no fear, and Whisper take on players, and Whisper get by players. And we especially how him played. I thought Whisper was the mother match against Honduras. Where Whisper played in their first game. But shock me to Whisper on the bench second game. The only thing we can't think about why coach bench him, the coach has said, boy, is that same thing you will not play much football, he might not have the legs them go play back-to-back match. So the only thing we can't think about, but more hear from the coach himself. But Whisper came on in the second half, you can see the difference in attack immediately. The attack changed. So we think going forward, similar thing, you can drop Whisper right now. But we can understand if the coach thinks him now the fitness for play back-to-back matches so soon. But boy, I'm really love hear from the coach. But yeah, man, that's why else we can't beat this thing, because we not like to all the one positive, I get a positive though now. There's a good positive say the team can have the resolve for down 2-0 at home. I know we as Jamaicans we're not easy upon the crowd. Because I'm quite sure here, no people in the crowd that tell the players them as usual about them parts and parents and all that. We now make it easy upon them. 2-0 done over 20 minutes, you know. Them could have crumbled, you know. And they managed to pull off a draw out time. So may give them that. You know, we have to give them that. But it's not good enough. I'm not sure if had a service of the field play a role, because then the government deserves some flack here, so you know, man. Because we don't understand how surface. Sports Max has showed the entire Nation League on TV. I mean, I watch match in a Grenada, in a Barbados, in a Guyana, in a Puerto Rico, all in Montserrat. And we have the worst field out of all of them. Everybody else that are playing matches, and I see on TV, all field look the worst. And that can't go, so man. We have to fix that. We have to give the team a chance, man. We have to give the team a chance going forward. when I say we can get them Wembley feeling them for play upon them, but it have a better than that, man. I know so we have some rain and thing, but nah, man, it have a look how we just look how weird it look, man. Can't expect the man them for play them best on that. Players like Gray and Bailey can't excel them best, and I feel like that. So come on, government, we need something, man. We need whoever run the field or the stadium need to give it something better. But yeah, man, that's it for now. 2-all draw, we take it. Right, we never even touch on the defenders them too much, but we still think Low and Pinocchio were best pairing, so we allow them. The fullbacks, Bell solid, Bell solid. So right back now, Javi and Brown never do a bad job, really. But I think Javi and Brown are our number one starters. But yeah, man, the team near midfielder. We need or a change our mindset or something. We need some midfielders, but some creative midfielders. I'm not sure if we can call about Maggie. But yeah, man, that's it, guys. This is Jampl fan channel. We're gonna mostly deal with the Jamaican Premier League here on this channel. But we'll start, obviously, since it's the international window, we're going to touch base from time to time on the Reggae Boyz. So, yeah, man, subscribe, people. Look out later for we have the character, sorry, not the character, but later we have the club profile for Ardigans FC as well. That's supposed to launch. And for anything else, stick right to our Jampl fan. Now watch the face.